Good morning, dear students. I am teaching chapter 3 and name of the chapter 3 is the plants around us. Plants around us. So in live classes also I discussed about the trees and parts of a plant. So again I will tell you. So parts of a plant, I told you root, stem, leaves, flower, fruit. These are the parts of a plant. And then I discussed in last class types of plants. So types of plant, herbs, shrubs and trees. And in live class also till trees I discussed. And now I will start with shrubs. Shrubs. What are the shrubs? Shrubs are the medium-sized plants. Shrubs are the medium-sized plants. And they are strong. Shrubs are strong and they have several stems near the ground. Several stems are there and such type of plants are called the shrubs. What are the shrubs? Shrubs are the medium-sized plants. Medium-sized plants. We can see that not very big, tall and not very small. They are the medium-sized. Example, you can see that rose and hibiscus. Medium-sized, I think rose plant you see, no? Rose plant and hibiscus. Rose and hibiscus plant, I think you see. So these are the medium-sized plants. Shrubs are the medium-sized plants and they are strong and several stems near the ground. So this is called the shrubs. Such type of plants are called the shrubs. And in book diagram is given. You can see that this is the rose and this is the hibiscus. They are comes under the shrubs. Now come to the herbs. Now come to the herb. Come to the herbs. Come to the herbs. Herbs are small plants. Herbs are the small plants. Herbs are the small plants. And they have very soft stem. Stems are very soft. And such plants are called the herbs. What are herbs? Herbs are the small plants. Just like tulsi plant. If we will take the example, tulsi and tulsi plant, I think in your home it is there, tulsi plants, and you will see that stem is very soft. Stem is very soft and they are the small plants. They are the small plants and soft stem. So they are called the herbs. Example, you can see that mint, tulsi and mint. Tulsi and mint. I think all of you understood till here. Trees, herbs and shrubs. Trees are the big plants and they are tall. They are that type of plants are called the trees. And shrubs. Shrubs are the medium-sized plants and they are strong. And herbs, they are small plants, soft stem. Example, tulsi and mint. So all of you take revision till here. Trees, shrubs and herbs. And in next class I will discuss about the creepers climbers and water plants. Creepers, climbers and water plants. So all of you take revision till here.
Types of plants. In this video, you will learn about different types of plants with the help of examples and pictures. We see a lot of plants around us. They are of different types, shapes, and kinds. Some are tall and some are very short. They grow everywhere. Some grow on land, and some plants grow in water, and some in hilly areas, and some in desert areas as well. Let us see the different types of plants. There are basically 5 types of plants, namely herbs, shrubs, climbers, trees, and creepers. These are the 5 types of plants we are going to discuss in this video. So let us start with herbs. They are very small plants. Their stem is very soft and green. They can stand erect. Let us see some pictures of herbs. Spinach, mint, coriander, grass. These are the examples of herbs. Now let us see about shrubs. They are taller than the herbs. They are bushy plants. They have hard and woody stems. They have thin branches. Let us see some examples of shrubs. Rose plant, jasmine plant, hibiscus. Now let us see about the climbers. They have weak stem. They cannot stand straight. They need support to grow straight. Let us see some examples of climbers. Money plant, pea plant, grapevine. Now let us see creepers. They grow along the ground. They have weak stems. They crawl and creep as they have big and heavy fruits. Let us see some examples of creepers. Pumpkin plant, watermelon plant. Now let us focus on trees. They are big plants. They are very strong. They live for many years. They have many branches. They have hard and woody stem called trunk. Let us see the examples of some of the trees which we see in our surrounding. Banyan tree, mango tree, neem tree. Let us see some more pictures of water plants, or in the other words you can say aquatic plant. These plants grow in water. Let us see some pictures. Water lily, lotus, Remember children, we can identify different plants by their flowers, leaves, fruits and trunk, as every plant has different leaves, flowers, fruits and trunk. Roots always grow underground soil. We obtain most of our food from plants. Plants need water, air, sunlight and soil to grow. Now let us see some MCQs to test your understanding. Trees have dash stems, hard stems. Roots grow dash the ground, below the ground. Leaves are dash in color, green. Rose is an example of shrub. Plants that need support to stand straight are called climbers. Pumpkin is a creeper. Trees increase the beauty of our nature. We should never cut trees and encourage more on planting trees for a better and green tomorrow. Thank you for learning with Kid Study Zone.